Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's videos, we will talk about quotations in HTML. So let's get started. And if you don't know about what is going on this channel, so I will tell you we started a new course called HTML course, and this is like 10th video of this course. And so if you learn this course from start, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to playlist section and watch the playlist HTML course for beginners. So let's get started. So I open this Visual Studio Code. This is open. Wait for some second. So I create a new file. HTML quotations. So HTML quotations are also like some elements, some tags which have special and different meanings. So let's start and explore the quotations in HTML one by one. So the first quotation is block quote. What is block quote? It is a tag which defines that this content is collect from different source. So let's check. Let's have some dummy example. P. This quote is from Google. Okay. After that, I write here block quote, and here I write give an attribute name site, and in site I paste the link of Google. Okay. After that I write here quote, like dummy quote, like success is not a matter of days. Control S, and let's check what is happen in the browser. So I go to HTML practice file and HTML quotations. So that's this quote is from Google and success is not a matter of days. Okay, so it is written in this format. After that, let's check. So let's check another quotation, which is Q quotation. What is Q? Q is for short quotations. So let's explore this tag. So first of all, I write here P, and here I write my main goal, and here I write Q tag is like I write my main goal is education is for everyone. Control S, and let's see what happened in the browser. So my main goal is education is for everyone. This is for short quotation. So let's explore another. The other one is abbreviation. So let's abbreviate something like World Health Organization. Okay, P WHO is was found in like 1998. I don't remember the date, but you can check. This is just for dummy text, like the. Now I write abbreviation text, abbreviation of like WHO, and I write here attribute World Health Organization and I save it. Let's see what happened. So the WHO was founded in 1998, but when we hover on this, then it will show us the uh, the whole text, World Health Organization. So this is also used in some cases. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn HTML. So I will meet you in the next video, and in which we will explore new things about HTML. So keep learning. Goodbye.